Hello again. This is Retiredmegaman. Welcome back again for another video. Today is November the 3rd. The time right now is 10:29 p.m. If you have been following along on this spreadsheet, today I already updated the data for November 3rd. Okay, the actual rate today was 1.58, and let's go back to my dashboard. Right here. Okay, you can see my dashboard. My active investment, 10,700, the original amount. If we go into transactions, the lending wallet, you can see the rate 1.58 here. That equates to $169.06. Gonna bring you back to my spreadsheet. Here's the 169.06. This is the amount that's being transferred into my QT wallet. Here's my QT wallet, my address. This is today. Here's the amount right here. Okay. Again, this and this equals the running total, the closing price, which the market just kind of closed. Okay. If I go back, where was I? If I go back to the historical data, here it is, right here. And here's the one for the Bitcoin. So now what we have, the total of the loan amount plus the running value in my QT wallet is $27,427.02. I put this in green, remember, because I'm comparing this column, this, and the original spreadsheet, which is a reinvestment. So clearly, this is indicating that what I'm doing is generating a greater dollar amount than if I were to do a reinvest on the lending platform. Again, just a reminder for those who are joining us, please watch my first take, which indicate that this is being done without reinvesting on the platform, nor do I have any referral. The only referral I had was on the date that I have 100% return on my original investment. You could watch my first video for an explanation of that. So I don't want to go over that. And here's the mining amount that's being received. Again, going back, here's the amount. If I do a sort, here's all my mining tokens that have been received. Okay, right here. So this equates to this. Again, the amount of token received from mining is not included in these results. Just want to remind everybody that this is no reinvestment, and again, without any referral, except for this on this particular date. Okay. I wanna touch on two subjects today. Okay. One, oops, wrong sheet. One is I got a notice in my email saying that Bitconnect is changing the number of referral levels from 7 to 3 Originally, the top level was 7%. You will see that most YouTubers are doing their reinvest. Again, I am not knocking their work. I'm just doing what I feel is the right path for me. Again, this has nothing to do with the results over here. Okay, this is the total interest that's earned in dollar amount, which is being transferred in the QT wallet. And again, I got 100% return on my investment in 60 days. Another subject matter I want to touch upon is let me see if I can find it. Earlier this morning, when I was checking the prices on market cap, I noticed that right away, usually Bitconnect tokens were listed as number 7 on the market cap listing, but subsequently got moved down to number 16. As I'm going to refresh this, and you can see for yourself. Bitcoin is number 1, and Bitconnect is number 16 right here. Okay, let me see if I can show you a screenshot. When I click on the Bitconnect, there was a message here. Okay, it's no longer available. I took a screenshot, and this is what it said. November 3rd, revised circulating supply calculation. Here's the screenshot earlier this morning when I looked at it. Okay, actually I had a video, so I took a screenshot of the video right here. This is what market cap is telling us. Revised circulating supply calculation. I don't know what that really means, but I know that the market cap dollar amount is this, the price of the token right here times the circulating supplies. So this times this equals this. And again, my spreadsheet is not really doesn't get affected that much. The only thing that would really drastically affect this would be a downward trend on the closing price, or on any prices on the BCC tokens. Okay, I explained what the green is for. This is another indicator I have done for myself. If today's price is lower than the previous price over here, I will put this in red. Okay, so if you notice 58, 51, 49 is lower than this, I put this in red. And if we go down here, let's say this one, 12,276.52 is obviously a lower number than this, so I put this in red. To me, from my experience in the past, I'm looking for a downward trend. Okay, usually since the market is open for 7 days a week, I'm looking for a downward trend for my risk tolerance. If it happens that let's say I get 7 red indicators in a row, that would tell me that for 7 days in a row, the price is dropping for the last 7 days. Each price being lower than the previous one. So that's another indicator would tell me that I should be on the lookout, and this helps me to decide whether I should be even investing in the BCC tokens. So again, this is a simple spreadsheet, and I'm color coding this based on my experience on decades of stock market investment. Okay, a lot of people, don't know what the what what is market capitalization means. So I looked it up because I can't really explain it. So I looked it up and I found this. You can read it for yourself what it is. And if I click in here, here it is. Market capitalization refers to the total dollar market value of a company's outstanding share. This is obviously referring to stocks. You could read the rest of the article. I'm going to scroll down. It gives, this article gives an example of large market cap about IBM. I don't know if you guys are old enough to remember IBM. I mean, it's a big company, okay? But here it is. Investing in large cap does not necessarily bring in huge returns in a short period of time. Okay, then it talks about the mid cap companies. Then it gives an example of a small cap company. Okay, small cap company, according to this, these companies are considered higher risk investment due to their age. I'm not going to disagree with the definition. I'm telling you from my years and years and decades, as a matter of fact, of experience with the stock market. I mean, I have done technical analysis and I have done fundamental research into my investment. Again, you could Google this, read up on it, and the best thing you could do for yourself is educate yourself. But if I go back to, I'm trying to go back to the Coinmarketcap. Here, obviously, Bitcoin, according to the definition, is a big cap. Okay, if you want to equate this to a big cap stock, this Bitcoin would be a big cap. Bitconnect, maybe somewhere, let's say, obviously I wouldn't say it's in a middle cap or a small cap, but obviously since it's listed number 16, it's lower, it's at a lower level than Bitcoin. But I find from my experience that whether it's big cap or medium or small cap has nothing to do with your return on your investment. Your return on your investment is very important, and I'm sure most of you are getting in because you can see the amount, you can see other video or other YouTubers are making quite a bit of money. Again, I'm not knocking them, but I think most of them are making it from the referral. But based on my spreadsheet right here, okay, doing what I'm doing, this is the amount as of right now, based on the closing price. Originally, if I held on to my 2.5 Bitcoin, which is considered a big cap, let's say it's a big market cap, this is the amount I would get, $18,019.40. If I do the BCC, even though it got lower from, let's say, number 7 on the Coinmarketcap to, let's say, about number 16 now, this is the amount, $24,268.03. Again, I'm glad I added these two columns just to have a reality check, if you will. Again, this spreadsheet is telling me that I should continue what I'm doing to get the biggest bang, if you will, for my investment. I say good luck to all of you. Again, you may want to reinvest for whatever reasons that you may have. You have to, my original reason was to get my money back as soon as possible by return on investment in the shortest, quickest time. I've done this in 60 days. I have not seen anybody on YouTube doing this, other than by referral, obviously. But I said without any referral, you cannot achieve this. I shouldn't say that you cannot achieve it. I would say that most people have not seen this. So if you like my video, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. And I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you for watching.